Padariya. I am currently studying in ICT engineering in Marwadi University, and today I am making this video about demux. So first we know that what is demux.
It is a digital device capable to forward signal into any one of the output lines. It converts a serial data signal into a parallel data signal. Thus, it can be used as a serial to parallel converter. In demux diagram, a 3-pin here we have. First one is data input, second control signals and enable pin, and third one is output channels. It is also used to storing a data inside a memory unit. Each register is connected with the signal demux. There is no need for a separate data line to each the register. A single demux can store data in all connected registers. Okay, so first we know about 1 to demultiplexer. Okay, so in 1x2 demultiplexer, we have two output channels and one control signals. When the signals is 0, first output channel selected. When the control signal is 1, second output channel is selected. In diagram, we can show input, control signals and enable pin. And also at the opposite side, we have output channels. In truth table, enable pin is 0 and 2 times 1 1. And in output, when 0 1 is equal to first y0 and 1 1 is equal to y1. Also we have done. Also it is same as 1x4 demultiplexer. In 1x4 demultiplexer, it means it can distribute one data into 4 separate data lines. Okay, so in truth table we have two input S1 and S2 and also enable pin. Also we can say that symmetric of 1x2 demultiplexer using logic gates. So we have in symmetric diagram 4 AND gate and 2 NOT gate. Okay. Now we can show 1x8 demultiplexer. So in 1x8 demultiplexer, we have one data line into 8 separate output channels. These 8 channels are controlled by only 3 control signals. So here we are total 3 input pins. In the 1x8 demultiplexer, we have total 8 equations, and in symmetric data set, we have total 8. Now we are go for code. So this is my front page code for selection of types of demultiplexer. Okay, is full code. Now I show you my first page of 1x2 demultiplexer code. So here it is full code. This code is only for information of 1x2 demultiplexer. Okay, so now this code is for input and output. In this code, with the full code of 1x4 demultiplexer. About information page. Now it is for input and output page. This code was for 1x8 demultiplexer. In this full of code, the code is very simple, but inside the code, logic is most important. Okay, so here in left side all JFrame classes, total 12 we have separate classes. And now I will show you my Java program by running. So I will run my code. The system is very slow, so sometime it will take more times. Okay, so this is front page. Enter. You have total 4 choice: 1 cross 2, 1 cross 4, 1 cross 8 and 1 cross 16 demux. And last button of application. So first information of 1 cross 2 demux. Now we are enter. So here 2 pins. One is for data and second one is for 0 or 1 input. I will write here Kevin. It will gives you output. If you input 0, so it will output in y0, and if you enter 1, it give output in y1. Okay, so now we go back and check 1 cross 4 demultiplexer. In 1 cross 4 demultiplexer, we have total 4 output, y0 to y3, and we have 2 input pins where we can input 0 or 1. Okay, so here first x is equal to, we enter data is 1 and enter 0 or 1. It give you output in D1 if you turn 1 input. So 1 into decimal is equal to 2. So it will give you output in D2. And if you enter total 1042, and if you enter 11, it in decimal. Now I will show you 1 cross 8 demultiplexer. In 1 cross 8 demultiplexer, you have total 3 input where you can enter 0 or 1 input, and 1 is for data input. So here we enter data ICT or branch name. So first enter 0, 1 and 1. So 0, 1, 1 into decimal is equal to 3. So it give you output in okay. So now enter 1, 1, 1. It in decimal it is equal to y7. Okay. So at last I will show you about 1 cross 16 demux. 1 cross 16 demux. In every demultiplexer, logic is same, but it will bigger and biggest in 1 cross 16 demux. Now I will show you one application of demultiplexer. So demultiplexer are used in many type of CPU. If for example, when you are using a computer, the computer is a signal sources, and in between process the demultiplexer is playing most most wonderful role. We were connected a printer. It will give you output as a print from computer. So here the computer is a signal input and the printer is output. So between process is demultiplexer, which can take input from computer and give output to printer. Okay, so there was my project of demultiplexer. I would like to thank our HOD Mr. C.D. Parmar and our assistant professor of OOP यानी कि Java language Mr. Kumar Anand sir, which help made lots of help in this project, and also like to thank Mr. Mehul Kantariya sir. Thank you.